may importante sana akong announcement sa mga kaibigan ko, especially those who follow me sa Facebook and YouTube. Most of you know that I share my insights on business, on leadership, entrepreneurship, on creating wealth and managing finances, and life as a whole. Ang mga sinishare ko are extracts from the lessons we teach sa Similya sa Kinabuhi, or Seed of Life sa English. It is a foundation we established in 2005. Hindi ko naman talaga plano magturo about business noon. Kasi though I was once an executive of Hewlett-Packard in the Philippines, I am just an ordinary farmer, an entrepreneur from Bukidnon. But when we became the biggest lettuce supplier for McDonald's Philippines from 2002 to 2010, people got curious about the way we do things. Tapos pa, when they saw how we moved from a 20-foot container van house into a bigger home only after a few years, marami ang taong pumunta sa amin to ask about our story and the principles we use in life and in business. In the past, people have to come to our facility sa Bukidnon to learn from our business and leadership development program. Tapos, when they want to implement our values formation program, they would ask us to train teachers for them kasi iba daw ang turo ng mga taong na-train na namin. So our ability to help in the past was limited by our facility. In 2004, we decided to put all our lessons in video form and make them available online. Yung importanteng announcement ko is I want all of you to know that almost all of our lessons sa Similya sa Kinabuhi can now be accessed in our newly created website, simillasakinabuhi.com. Alam mo, I share the things I share kasi I hope I can help Filipinos live the fruitful life God wants for them. Gusto ko na ma-experience nila ang mga bagay na na-experience namin. And then tapos, maintindihan nila how they can overcome the many trials and adversities that will come their way. Naniniwala kasi ako that if all Filipinos become fruitful, we will be able to create a safe environment for our children and their children's children to grow in peace and enjoy abundance in the future. Tapos naniniwala din ako na when all Filipinos become fruitful, yung bang maraming sobra, mawawala ang corruption. Because you cannot bribe or corrupt someone who has more than enough for himself. Today, we are considered a corrupt nation kasi maraming tao ang mahirap, maraming tao ang in need. Sa website ng Similya sa Kinabuhi, may makikita kayo doon na 2 series under the transformational program na I believe can help all Filipinos. Ang pangalan ng mga series na to is first, Breaking Through, Values Formation. This is a year-long values formation series that companies and organizations can use to help their people have a better mindset and a better attitude towards their work. And then meron yung programa that we created called Overcoming Depression in the Workplace. There are 26 lessons under this series and create namin ito because one of the pressing concerns of people today is mental health, which has resulted to many suicides. Libre ho ang access sa Breaking Through, Values Formation Program, and Overcoming Depression in the Workplace. Ulitin ko, libre ang access sa 2 series na ito. We are offering them for free kasi naniniwala kami na all Filipinos should go through them para they can use their employment or the business they have today to build a fruitful future. If you want to know how you can benefit from these 2 programs, there are video summary of these lessons in the website. While may mga libre kami na lessons, marami rin kaming program for people who are serious in their personal development. Kaso lang because they are not for everybody, these programs are under subscription options. The lessons under the subscription options will include programs on entrepreneurship, managing a business, leadership, creating wealth, farming at marami pang iba. Marami na hong mga na-transform na buhay because of these lessons. Marami ring kumpanya ang nakinabang. May mga kumpanya who went through our program in the past, who went from debt to profit, yung iba naman from stagnation to growth. Kung kailangan mo ng tulong para ma-develop ang attitude at saka character ng mga empleyado mo, or if you are a business person who needs to understand a practical way of doing business, please check our website today. Sana makatulong kami sa journey nyo to fruitfulness. God bless all of you.